Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help, guys. So for this video, I'm going to show you where to find free Udemy courses online. So as you know, Udemy is, well, it's a course provider online, and usually you have to pay in order to join their courses or their classes. Well, what many people don't know is they actually offer a lot of free courses online. So if you want to have access to those, then check this out. Udemy Free Resource Center. Go to Udemy Free Resource Center and then click on Take Free Courses. From here, you can see there are a lot of free courses, up to 30 pages of free courses right here. There are even some breathing techniques, speaking techniques, Amazon Web Services techniques. So, for example, this one right here, it's actually for free. So you can click that enroll now. You can enter any account you want. You can link it with your Google account or with your Facebook account. Then from there, you can take the courses for absolutely free. As you can see here, you can start the course and you can learn it for free. There are other things here as well from web design, Microsoft, to personal productivity, and even instruments. So if you're interested, definitely check that out. But of course, these are limited compared to the ones that you need to pay for. But definitely, if you want some free Udemy courses, they offer it for free, of course. They have some that are free of charge and some that are not. For more videos on Udemy and other online learning courses platforms, follow us only here on Tech Help Guy.